As your business grows, your brand identity might need to evolve too. So what happens when your old QR codes no longer fit your brand's new look, or you want to change the logo and colors of an existing campaign? Some sacrifices might be made in the name of rebranding, but your QR codes and QR Tiger will never get in the way of these changes. Our software is designed to keep up with you every step of the way. Whether you're tweaking your color scheme, updating your logo, or just completely revamping your look, QR Tiger makes it easy to change how your QR code looks whenever you need to. Now, let me show you just how simple it is to update an existing campaign's QR code design. First, log into your QR Tiger account and go to your dashboard. Find the QR code that you want to edit and click on it. Under campaign name, click the Settings button. Then choose Edit QR Design, and voila, you can now update your QR code's appearance. Choose a pattern, adjust the eyes, add a logo, select colors, and apply a frame and update your call to action phrase. Plus, always remember to ensure the foreground is darker than the background so your QR code can be read easily by devices. And once you're happy with the new design, just click Save and your updated QR code will be ready to use. Click the Download button to save a copy of your campaign's new QR code design, and that's it. With just a few clicks, you've got a QR code that perfectly fits your brand or campaign's new look. Remember, QR Tiger is here to support your brand's journey, no matter where it takes you. All right, before I let you go, I'd like to give you some extra tips when using QR codes for marketing. Use a dynamic QR code. This will give you the most optimal results since it scans the fastest and it comes with scan analytics that you can use to create smart campaigns. Download your QR codes in the highest possible quality. This makes your QR code scannable even when scaled up or scaled down. Add a call to action phrase. Doing so increases your scan rate since it tells consumers what to do and drives them to interact with your QR codes. Do test scans. Make sure your QR codes are working and redirecting to the right content before downloading them. Trust me, this simple step will save you hundreds of dollars. QR codes can be a very effective marketing tool if you know how to use them the right way. Don't worry though, I'm here to help you equip yourself with the fundamentals that you need. Just click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be alerted on new uploads in our channel. If you have questions, type it out in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer them. Plus, for more QR code content, you can browse this channel's videos or visit our blog website linked in the description box below. This has been David and I'll see you in the next video.